Okay, so I was reading about this tool called Garlic, and it's a Java decompiler written in C. Like, how cool is that?
Wait, a Java decompiler in C? That's wild. I mean, how does that even work? What's the point?
Right? So it takes .class or jar files and produces readable Java source code. But here's the twist. It has no dependencies.
No dependencies. That's impressive. It must streamline the whole process, especially for developers who just want to get things done fast.
Exactly. And to set it up, you just need CMake and, of course, to clone the GitHub repository. It's super straightforward.
Oh wow, that's really user-friendly. So what's the usage like? Is it command line based?
Totally. You can decompile a .class file by just typing garlic/pastagevm.class. It's really that easy.
So simple. But what if you want to decompile a jar file? I mean, that's usually where things get tricky.
Good question. You just type garlic path2file.jar and it does the rest. Plus, you can specify an output path.
Okay, hold on. You mean you don't have to sift through folders yourself? That changes everything.
Right? And it gets even better. You can adjust the thread count for faster processing. Default's 4, but you can set it higher.
Wait, what? Threading? Now we're talking. This is making me think about performance in ways I hadn't considered.
Exactly. It's like juggling more balls at once. More threads mean faster results. Developers must love that.
This is fascinating because efficient decompilation could really speed up debugging and reverse engineering.
Totally. And there's also a Java-like feature that lets you view the structure of the class, but faster. No line numbers, too.
No line numbers? Wow, that's a bold design choice. I guess it saves processing time. Developers must appreciate that.
Definitely. And I love how they adapted it to suit developers' real-world needs. Makes it much more practical.
It's really user-centric. Speaking of which, can you debug in it? That's a huge deal for developers.
You can, but there's a catch. You'll need to modify the main function to adjust the debugging. Kind of a quirky requirement.
Ha! Quirky is right. But it sounds manageable. It's like giving developers a puzzle to solve while they work.
Exactly. It adds this layer of engagement, right? And if thread count is less than 2, it disables multi-threading. Interesting.
That makes sense. Keeping it straightforward can be key for simpler tasks. But still, wow. So much thought went into this tool.
Seriously. And it's licensed under the Apache 2.0 license, which means people can modify it too. Such an open source vibe.
Yes, that's fantastic for community involvement. It's like a living program that evolves with user contributions.
I love that perspective. It's really about collaboration. Imagine the possibilities when more developers get involved.
Absolutely. Community-driven tools often become so much better. You know what this reminds me of? Open source software in general.
Right. It's like tapping into the hive mind of developers everywhere. Collective problem solving at its best.
And think about the educational potential. New developers can learn from tweaking and improving such tools.
Exactly. It's like a mentorship program in code form. You start using something and then you contribute, learn, and grow.
This is blowing my mind. It really turns decompilation into a collaborative art rather than just a technical task.
Totally agree. So if we sum it all up, Garlic not only decompiles, but also builds community and learning. What a win.
For sure, it highlights how a tool can be functional, educational, and community-driven all at once. Pretty rare.
And that makes you wonder, what else could programming tools learn from this approach? I mean, the sky's the limit.
Exactly. Imagine integrating so many community ideas into other tools. The entire landscape could shift for the better.
This conversation has really opened my eyes to how tools shape the developer experience community.
Same here. It's refreshing to see technology not just as a means to an end, but as a community enhancer.
Totally. Leaving us thinking, how can we all contribute to this kind of progress? That's the real question.
Absolutely. It's an exciting path ahead. I can't wait to see what new ideas emerge from it.